F1 car, the RC car, we got the content creators here, we have a special guest, Ben Baggy over here, so he's loving it. So there's no pressure here. This is putting smiles on faces. Then with him, they're taking a selfie there. Scott Speed snapping the pic right there with Aaron Cole. But let's talk about Scott Speed. We talked about, many moons ago, he was behind the wheel of an F1 car. He jumped over to rally. He did this. He jumped to NASCAR. He's done it all. And now...
San Francisco, put your hands together for the one, the only, Yuki Tsunoda! Oh, listen to that symphony, baby. If that is not smile-inducing, I don't know what is. I mean, that is... Thank you so much, Yuki Tsunoda. Make some noise, San Francisco! The one and only. Good guy, just lucky to be here in San Francisco ripping this race car.
Yeah, a guy who needs some good food wrecks, but yeah, he's having a great time. That's what it's all about. And you can see did achieve that podium finish in 2025 in its debut of the Dakar, so it really is that was the third place. It's unbelievable to see this happen. I think driving, get around the industry.
That's literally his birth name.
Actually, that is very good at the first letter, like the way his stage name. Best finish was 9th, and as I mentioned, he was the first American driver in over a decade. So an incredible. What it did, it paved the way. But they actually did 19 races.
Make some noise for Scott Speed in the RV7. Let's see Tori Bloodwell.
Thinking, oh gosh, our balance bike skills after this. You sit there and it's not just about what you can do on the bike, it's actually what you can do off the skill set. And what it really is, because a lot of people get on the ride, a lot of
And he's an open book. You can see
XCL National Stunt Riding Champion at 15 years old. That shows what is the skill set needed? Is it just balance?
San Francisco Symphony sounds the 50th. This iconic RV. Up the street. Showing you, as I would say, not just the dump, but showing you it's the noise. Some people love the V8 vehicles that are on the can't control him, but he's right there. That was my nickname in college. I was a peach. I didn't go to college. That's right now, because again, a great follow, DEMI. Some people just kind of demonize it. I raced it years ago, and he set the record with, I mean, like I said, some people demonize it. It's just like, we don't even cut into half the capabilities on. And if you haven't seen it,
399 grams.
Katie, have you seen the front end of this vehicle? I don't know if it can fit through a normal lane. Again, the super truck.
Se prende, güey. ¿Cómo? Los frenos. Oh. That shit from the slide in the pit.